All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your recognition to my efforts as well as your feedback. I appreciate it very much. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information to you all and nothing less. Let's jump into this chart. So Sorrento has had a very bearish run. We've seen it for days and weeks now, to the point that it's testing new lows, and it had a slight recovery recently, to the point that it hit the lows of 578 and quickly jumped right back up with the bulls reappearing at 657, yet still below the 50-day moving average. I'd write that down. The 50-day moving average is 704. Literally a couple cent difference from yesterday's support. Support was broken through, and we're going to have to move our support and resistance levels to its new location. So let's go ahead and look at what's important for tomorrow. So obviously this closed out slightly below our resistance. Our resistance is a couple cents above it. It closed out at 657, and our resistance level is literally 660, a 3-cent difference. So back to the highest point before the dip. This is certainly a resistance level that needs to be broken through as well, but that's way far out, even beyond the 50-day moving average of 716. I'd write that down if this was to work its way up, to keep that in mind. If this gets broken through and turned into support, this stock could be on its way to hitting newer highs and newer resistance levels. But before that, obviously we have our 50-day moving average of 704 that needs to be broken through to turn this around and get from bearish territory into bullish territory, and then the bulls can start to work their way up and hit newer highs. But then again, before getting to the 50-day moving average, which is very important, the bulls need to break through 660, turn that into support, test it, prove it, and start to work their way up to newer highs. On the other spectrum of things, the bears are dominating right now. They've been keeping this below the 50-day moving average and hitting newer lows every time, to the point that they recently just hit their newest low of 578, 577 range, and in the lowest point of the day. So this is very important as well to keep in mind if this was to work on its way down further from the 50-day moving average and the bears are gaining control. But before getting there, they're going to want to break through the support, and the support is 604. If 604 gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to how this stock is reacting, because it's already in bearish territory. So it's going to be very significant what goes on around 604 or even below it. And could the bulls reappear as they did today to level this off and recover it and hopefully use the momentum to work their way back up? Or will the bears continue to tear this one down to newer lows and hit newer lows by breaking through 578 and hitting newer support levels? This is going to be very interesting how this plays out this next week and upcoming week. Pay very close attention to the support level and the resistance levels. With those cues, you guys will be well equipped to make your own rational decisions as investors, and we'll see how this one plays out. If you found this helpful and informative and feel encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, so you can turn on all notifications to not miss a single chart analysis and be up to date. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you so much for watching. Let's make some money.